all of you, Aditya here. Firstly, wishing you all a very happy new year. And in today's session, I'm going to discuss about the parts of guitar, types of guitars, and different styles. So let's check it out. And yes, most importantly, please do subscribe my YouTube channel. And you can reach me out via my Gmail account. You can mail me. You can reach through Facebook, Instagram, and you can WhatsApp me for further inquiries. Thank you. Now that's watching. This part is called the head of the guitar. The head of the guitar has 6 tuning keys on it, through which you can tune your guitar. This is called the nut. This entire thing is called the fretboard, also the fingerboard, and popularly known as the neck of the guitar. These iron and steel bars are frets. Can you see these rectangular or square blocks? They are called finger blocks, where you place your finger. Can you see these dots? They are nothing but they indicate you which fret it is. So for say the first dot, it says that it's the 3rd fret, 5th, 7th, 9th, and the 12th fret. Okay, nothing else. And yes, the 6 strings on it. Then, as you can see, it's a sound hole. I mean, the way it is, you can easily recognize it. This part is called the bridge, saddle, and this entire body is called the box of the guitar. I have this equalizer and tuner on my guitar. So okay, and which helps me to jack in my guitar here. Correct. And not last but the least, this is a strap holder, so you can get the strap and play it if you want to stand and play guitar. That's it. The best part of an acoustic guitar is that you don't need any jack to plug in to play this guitar. You can play it without like that also. So electric guitar, almost it's the same thing, but yes, the difference is that you cannot play this guitar without plugging it into an amplifier. Right, I have already plugged in. Best part of an electric guitar, you can play a lot of different sounds through it. Play guitar with a piece of plastic called the PLECTRUM. It's basically in a triangular shape, you can see. And this is how we play. Let's check it out. You can strum also. In fingerstyle, we play guitar with our right hand fingers and thumb. So basically it is the P, I, M, and A. So this is how we do it. Okay. So hybrid picking is both the mix of fingerstyle and plectrum style. It's like this. The tapping is nothing but it's like this. You're doing nothing, simply you just have to hammer first and then just like this, a touch. Well, I'm sure you must have liked the video very much and must have gained a lot of information on guitars, and I'm sure that I will, in my next video, will give you more such type of information. In the meantime, you can simply like, share and subscribe my channel. Do share with your friends, family, and let me know in my comment section that what more you would like to know about music, what subject I should talk basically. So till then, see you next time and have a safe year. Bye.